more.
Hey, good morning. My name is Mike Sidlowski. I'm a licensed landscape architect with Live Oak Landscape Contractors. I'm here with John Barinello, one of the chief designers here at Live Oak Landscape Contractors. And today, we just really want to talk about our design process and how it's very different from other design processes you may encounter out in the consumer world. Mm-hmm. So, John, recently we had this conversation, and we were almost shocked to find out that some of our competitors or some other designers find themselves basically meeting with a client, going into a dark room, let's say the design room, coming up with one drawing and just presenting that to the client as that's the holy grail for their yard, for their property. And can you just tell me a little bit about our design process and how that's somewhat different than what we might find out with our competitors?
Yeah, sure. In a brief summary, basically, a lot of the word that we preach most is value. And I think that when a certain company is going to just give you one drawing, especially if you're paying good design dollars for that, it's really selling them short and it's not giving them good value. So what we like to do is create multiple design options and present them to you. They all might contain the same aspects, maybe a patio and whatever is going to be in there, but they could be arranged differently and bring different ideas to the table. So we really try to, along with their ideas, contribute everything that we can and give them options. And we feel that that's important and that's going to give the client a lot of value. And then we carry that same thought process through to looking at numbers and creating a menu for them to select different options and give them different options in terms of pricing as well, which makes it more flexible for their wallet and what have you.
Right. So to summarize our procedure or working with us as a company, we have a preset program when it comes to our design process. The first being our preliminary design agreement, which basically, in most cases, is a lump sum or an hourly rate for the design project. And that's based on the size of the yard. Stop me if I get off track. Secondly, once we engage with the client, we go out and do a site analysis. Mm-hmm. Site analysis is just what that says. We go out, we look at the soils, we do a photo analysis, a character analysis, winds, significant features on the property. After that, we do what we call our preliminary design, which is you get not one, two, but sometimes three, and they come in all different shapes and sizes. Sometimes we've done models, isometric drawings for our client to convey our ideas. And basically, in part of the meeting with the clients, we get some homework from them. Mm-hmm. And that homework really helps us in the design process. Yeah. And then from there, we kind of synthesize a drawing or a design. We kind of do preliminary numbers associated with what it would cost to build that project, mm-hmm. And that helps the client kind of drive the project the way they want to go financially. Is that correct?
Yeah, exactly.
After that, we finalize the design with another design meeting, or we alter it again. We figure out where the costs are going. We then come up with a final design. We begin material selection, where the client's very involved in. Another way for them to control cost is, selecting materials, and we can talk about that in ensuing videos. And then we finalize. We've got basically a proposal we can give them after that, and because we're a design build contractor, we have the ability to install the project and oversee it right from the time the shovel goes in the ground to the time that we're putting the bow on the project.
Yeah, you got it.
You know what, John? This has been great. Let's do some more videos and let's go deep in this process. Let's figure out exactly. Let's show the people exactly how we're different than everyone else.
Let's do it.
Thanks, man. Talk to you.